As I told you, we already had round one yesterday, and the marks accordingly are like this. Nashuwa Mgla secured 29 points out of 30. Hiwat with 28 points out of 30. Anastasia 27. Jedaya Kalingdo 25. Effie Grace Majal 23. Derek Dakar 22. Rikynti 21. And Napiba S. Konstia also at 21. So today, this is not going to be a very long session because we already had round one yesterday. 3 words to spell in a span of 2 minutes. And within that 2 minutes, the students can actually ask for hints. For example, they can ask for its origin, the part of speech, and its meaning. So based on that, we will allow them to spell out the word. But once the word is being spelled out, we will take that as a final answer. Am I clear?
Hello, my name is Dami Mukde. I am from Church of God, Iklisa. Can you tell me the origin?
Pardon? No, the moment you ask for the hint, we will show you the hint, all the hints. But there you'll have everything, the origin, the parts of speech, and the meaning.
Yes.
But when you answer after that, you get only 5 points. Are you sure you want to go to the hint?
No. Okay. Okay, give me a hint.
Go to the hint?
Yes.
Okay. Here's your hint. The part of speech is a verb. The origin is Latin. The meaning is to determine the physical dimensions, capacity, or amount of something by comparing it to a known standard or unit.
Okay.
Be careful because once you've given the word, that will be taken as a final. Time's up. Thank you, Dame Hiwat. You can go back to your seat, please. Please give him a big round of applause. Who got series number 2? Please step up on stage. Introduce yourself to the audience.
My name is Anastasia Lasangpuri from Stephen Mawlai.
So, Anastasia, are you clear about the rules? Okay. So we show you a word now. Try to find out what is the right word. Okay? If you can find out, 10 points. If not, you can ask for the hints. We'll give you a hint and then 5. The part of speech is adjective. The origin is Latin, meaning having the ability to imagine and produce original ideas, things, or solutions. Okay, the word is creative. Okay? Thank you, Anastasia. Who got series number 3?
I am from St. Francis ERCC Higher Secondary School. I study in class 6.
Okay, can you turn to the screen, please?
Stumble.
Yes?
Stumble.
Correct. A big round of applause for Rikynti. The correct answer is stumble. It's a verb. The origin is Scandinavian, and the meaning is to trip, miss a step, or walk unsteadily. Congratulations, Rikynti. Who got series number 4? Please come forward. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Derek Lamprandakar. I am from Sunday Secondary School. I study in class 6.
Yes, Derek, please turn to the screen. The screen is very big compared to his competitor, but I know he's going to do well. So, your word.
Can you give me a hint?
Hint. It's a noun. Its origin is French and Latin. The meaning is a muscular tube that carries blood away from the heart or a major route in a transportation network. No prompting, please. Sorry, your time is up.
Jediah Karingdor. I come from Grace Academy. I study in class 5.
Jediah Kalindor from class 5. Another tiny titan. Okay? So, Jediah, please face the screen. You ready? Your word for the day. No prompting, please.
Can you give me a clue?
Hint. It's a noun again. The origin is it's Old English, and the meaning is a meteorological phenomenon featuring a colored arc in the sky formed by the refraction and reflection of. Yes, very correct. Please give him a very big hand. It's rainbow. He gets 5 points for that. Okay, thank you very much. The second person to score in this round. May I have series number 7, right? Please introduce yourself again, Nashuwa.
My name is Nashuwa and I am from Sunday Secondary School. I study in class 5.
Okay, Nashuwa, face the screen. Your word for the day is this.
Can you give me a hint?
Hint.
Yes.
It's a verb. The origin is Middle English, and the meaning is to design or create something that has never been made before, or to fabricate something fictitious. Sorry for that. Audience, what is the right word? The right word is invent. Better luck next time, Nashuwa. Series number 8, I think, right? Nafiba S. Constia. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Nafiba S. Konstia. I come from Queen Secondary School. I study in class 6.
It's Nafiba, right? Okay. Please face the screen. The last word for the day. I mean for this particular round. Are you ready, timekeeper? Your time is up. I'm so sorry, Nafiba. Audience? What is the right answer? Very correct. 1,000 points to the audience. Okay, for being so intelligent and so clever. With that, we've come to the end of round 1. So, your first word is plow.
Plough.
Correct? Decay.
Decay.
Correct? Fibrous.
Fibrous.
Correct. All 3 correct. Congratulations, dummy work. Very well done. Series number 2. Please pass on the mic to series number 2. That was 15 points for dummy work. Your words are guava.
Guava.
Correct? Please spell loudly, okay? Disperse.
Disperse.
Correct again? Mesosphere.
Mesosphere.
Correct, all 3 correct. Please give her a big round of applause. Pass on to series number 3. Who's series number 3? What's your name? Rikynti, right? Yes, Rikynti Rintatya. Okay, your words are, number 1, series.
SERIES.
Correct? Features.
FEATURES.
Realm.
REALM.
REALM. Correct. All correct. Thank you very much, Rikynti. Pass on to series number 4. Your first word is manure.
MANURE.
Loudly, okay?
MANURE.
Correct? Irrigation.
Pardon me?
Irrigation.
IRRIGATION.
Correct. Bacteria.
BACTERIA.
Correct. All three correct. Give him a big round of applause. Series number 5. Your words are enhance.
ENHANCE.
Correct. Activities.
ACTIVITIES.
AC.
ACTIVITIES.
Correct. Tomorrow.
TOMORROW.
Correct. All three correct. Thank you very much. You are FE. Correct. Pass on to series number 6. Your words for the day are civilization.
CIVILATION.
Wrong. Word number 2, question.
QUESTION.
Correct. Stimuli. Stimuli.
STIMULTY.
Wrong. He got one correct. Give him a big round of applause. Pass on to series number 7. You are Jedediah, right? Jedediah? I'm multitasking, I'm very sorry. We have Nashuwa, right? Okay, series number 7. Explosion.
EXPLOSION.
Correct? Boundary.
BOUNDARY.
Satisfy.
SATISFY.
Thank you, all correct. And last but not the least, series number 8. Please come forward. The words for the day are latitude.
LATITUDE.
Correct? Flavor.
FLAVOUR.
Explore.
EXPLORE.
Correct, all three correct. Congratulations. So with that, we've come to the end of round 3. And I would like to congratulate each and every one of the participants who have done the level best to spell out all the words, especially the visual round. First place, can you tell me who got the first place? None other than Rikynti from St. Francis with 46 points. I think it was worth the wait because she came late but she came first in the contest. So a big congratulations to all the 3 winners. We will be distributing the medals and the certificates soon. We'll have the public speaking and then we'll be distributing the prizes soon. Okay? Thank you very much for this event.